Hello and welcome. In this video we're going to take a look at how to solve this absolute value problem equation. So in this case you're given absolute value of 4x minus 2 over 4 equals absolute value of 3 minus 5x over 6. Now you already know that if you have absolute value of a over b, it can be written as, you can just separate the absolute value functions. So mod a over mod b, or absolute value of a divided by b. So if we use that rule, we get absolute value of 4x minus 2 over absolute value of 4 is just 4 because it's positive, and same thing we're gonna do on the other side. So absolute value of 6 is just 6, right? In the next step, now it's up to you. You can cross multiply first and then write the equations, or you can create the two equations and then cross multiply. It's completely up to you. The result is not different. What I like to do is I like to cross multiply first. So we take the 6 and the 4 on the other side. So this becomes, just change the color a bit, 6 times 4x minus 2 equals 4 times 3 minus 5x. Now this is where we're gonna create two equations, because we know that absolute value of a equals absolute value of b means a is either positive b or negative b, right? So we're going to use the same rule here when in this expression. So 4x minus 2 is either equal to 4 times 3 minus 5x, the positive value, or 4x minus 2 is equal to negative 4 3 minus 5x, right? Oh boy, I missed the minus here. Just write this again, minus 2, right? And after that it's really simple. You're gonna use the distributive law throughout in all the expressions, right? So you get 6 times 4x is 24x minus 12 equals 12 minus 20x. And because we are solving for x, we really want to add or take 20x to the other side. That means add 20x to both sides. So you get 44x minus 12 equals 12. Moving 12 to the other side, or in other words adding 12 to both sides, you get 44x. 44x equals 12 plus 12 is 24. Dividing by 44 on both sides to isolate x, we get 24 over 44, which can be reduced to 6 over 11. So that's your first solution of this question. We are going to do the same thing on the other side. Use the distributive law and get 24x minus 12 equals minus 12 plus 20x, and then again move the 20x to the other side by subtracting it from both sides. So we get 4x equals minus 12 plus 12 if we move this 12 to the other side in the same step. So we get 4x equals 0. That obviously means x equals 0. So the two solutions for this question are 6 over 11 and 0.